Hey everybody, it's Mrsnakeater saying, it sucks today. I can't go outside, and 9/11 too, so I'm not gonna upload any video today. Probably gonna get to this somewhere around like, probably tomorrow the 12th. I had 9/11 on a Sunday, and oh, hey Shosha. That's my cat, Shasha. So far, this is a pretty dreadful day. Yeah. What do you want, cat? You want in? I'm gonna kill me, but I'm naming her. Why did I call my cat a him? That is insulting. Ah! Is acid rain? I'm out of here. Hey, a thought just occurred to me. If that was acid rain out there, wouldn't that mean... I don't like the looks of this. I'll call you back when I'm dead.